A social media marketing agency is not just the current trend. Yes, it's becoming a little bit more well-known amongst the younger generation and people are starting to get into it because they want to make money online, but it is not just a trendy thing, it's a real business. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video, I have something that I've been dying to get out because I get on a daily basis via Instagram 10, 15, maybe even 20 messages asking me, hey, I just want to start a new social media marketing agency. What shall I do? I start talking to them, interacting with these people, and they start telling me they're doing this, they're doing that. And a lot of the time, all this energy and time that they're putting in is going into useless activities. So I thought it would be beneficial for me, a social media marketing agency owner over 2 years now, to tell you guys some advice for beginners. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. If you guys are not familiar with who I am, my name is Arsalan. I'm a social media marketing agency owner based in London. I've been doing this for over 2 years and my agency makes multiple six figures in revenue and profits, which is the most important thing, per year. Now, I wanted to make this video because on a daily basis, I get asked on Instagram maybe 5, 10, 15, 20 times even sometimes, I'm starting a social media marketing agency. What shall I do? How should I structure it? And a lot of the time when I start interacting with these individuals, they start telling me that they're doing this and they're doing that. And most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, they're wasting their energy and time on activities that give them no beneficial gain whatsoever, and they just end up wasting their time. And that's not something I want for you guys watching this video, and therefore this video is going to be social media marketing agency advice and how to really start as a beginner. Right, that's a lot better, feeling a lot more comfy, ready to start this video. So let's get straight into it. Now, I've made a couple of bullet points. I'm going to be staring at my computer now and then, just so I make sure that I include all the juicy goods and all the juicy golden nuggets for this video. So my first point, and this is something I get a lot because a lot of people seem to have this misconception that if you just read one book or you take one course or you have one mentor, that's it, you're set for life, you're on your way to make multiple six figures. And you know what? I don't blame a lot of the agency, a lot of the industry, because of the way that a lot of courses are advertised, or especially now in the market, there's so many fake gurus who don't even own agencies themselves, or they have one or two clients and they dabbled in social media marketing agency work, and then suddenly they make a course on it, they make a book on it, and they're trying to sell you how to make six figures in a year, if not more. Now, I've mentioned this in a previous video. Earning six figures with a social media marketing agency is not the hardest thing. If you do the things right, if you set up your systems and you take the right approach from the beginning, you can easily do that with 2, 3, 4, 5 clients. And it doesn't require the most work if you know how to build those systems. However, what happens is a lot of the time, people make it hard for themselves. They waste time doing this, doing that, useless things, which I'll get into later in this video. And they stop focusing on the things that are actually going to bring them profit in per month. They stop focusing on the things that are actually going to bring them that profit into their bank account every month. Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, right? I don't care if your agency is doing 20,000 revenue a month and if you're making only 2,000. I care if you're making 20,000 revenue and 18,000 of that revenue is your profit. There's a big difference and people seem to just flaunt it out like revenue. Going back to my point, because I went on a little bit of a tangent, there is just no one book that you can take, one course that you can take, one mentor that you can follow. Yes, it does help to have mentors, and I'm not going to diminish the value of a book, of a good course, of a good mentor. It definitely helps and it can speed things up. That being said, there's no just one course you can take. As much as I've seen people advertise, this is the only course you need, there is always going to be information that is not in that course, just because that information comes solely from actually going out there, doing the work, trial and error, failing a few times, and building that experience and your own systems. Because what works for someone else will not, like 99% of the time, that exact fit, that exact template will not work in your situation. Again, I'm not trying to diminish that a course won't help or that a book won't help or a mentor won't help. It's just you have to look at it from a realistic point of view. And this is why 95% of the people who come into the social media marketing agency space fail within a few months, because they don't know how to do that. And suddenly when a situation comes up, they're like, oh, this wasn't in the course that I bought. This wasn't in the book that I took. This isn't in the book that I read. This isn't what my mentor told me or gave advice on. What the hell do I do? And a lot of the time you like they stop using their initiative and they ultimately fail. And 90% of the people in the industry who get into this and suddenly start calling themselves social media marketing agency owners will fail because they don't take the right approach and they don't have the right mindset to it. Now, the next point I want to get into is start now and stop delaying success. There are so many people that message me on a daily basis, and I'm not even kidding, guys. I'm talking 5, 10, 20 people sometimes on a daily basis messaging me on Instagram saying, hey, I'm thinking about starting a social media marketing agency. Coronavirus is going on right now. COVID-19 is going on right now. Is it a good time for agencies? Businesses are closed. Is there really any chance of me working? Like, I think I'll just wait a few months and I'll do it then. Or like they say, oh, I'm going to start soon. I just wanted to get a little bit of advice from you. I'm going to have this. I'm going to find a contractor to do my ads for me. I'm going to build a website. Ultimately, all you're doing is delaying success. When I started out, I did not have anywhere close to the experience that some people do when the knowledge that is out there now. I started with a very, very simple course, which I got for $200 on Facebook ads marketing. And I went ahead and I just started making cold calls. I had no experience in sales. I simply picked up the phone and I started cold calling local businesses and setting meetings. And within 2 weeks, I had a client for £800 a month. And within 4 weeks, I had a total client base of 2 clients and I was making £2,000 per month, right? Within 4 weeks. No sales experience, practically no knowledge on Facebook ads or how to actually run them. I did a course on it. So I was like, yeah, I know a little bit, but do I actually have practical value in doing it? Probably not, which is why I lost those clients very soon on. But the thing is, look, you're never going to get that first £800 per month client or however X amount client per month, right? That retainer. If you don't take action and actually just start today, and this is a very cliche saying, you will hear about it all the time, start today, don't delay what you can do now, tomorrow, etc. So that brings me onto the next point, and that is failure is a big, big part of it. Like, as I mentioned, I gained those clients and very soon after I lost those same clients. And that is because failure is a big part of it. It's going to be a big part of your stepping stone to success. And you'll hear it in, those quotes on Instagram and in motivational posts, but it is true. Without those failures, I would not have learned from those experiences. I would not have put into the systems into place if I did not have those experiences, and I wouldn't have got to where I am now. I have failed more times than a person with, 3 clients has succeeded. I have lost a lot of clients in the past when I first started out, especially in my first, I would say 8 months. I lost a lot of clients, right? To the point where I almost felt like giving up. And I just slowly started to learn, like, look, I need to start treating this as a serious business. And this is my next point. A lot of people, they don't treat this as a serious business. A social media marketing agency is not just the current trend. Yes, it's becoming a little bit more well-known amongst the younger generation and people are starting to get into it because they want to make money online. But it is not just a trendy thing. It's a real business. And that's what's going to set the people apart from just having, $2,000 or £3,000 or dollars in retainers a month, and those that have $200,000 or pounds per month in retainers. And that is what distinguishes the people that just make a few thousand extra versus the people that make, tens of thousands extra a month, and they have multiple 6-figure agencies, teams, solid foundations, solid systems, because they treat it as such. It's a serious business, guys. And as a beginner watching this video, which you most likely are, you need to treat it as such. And I'm just going to say that one more time. Treat it as a serious business. Make systems. Plan out what you need to do. Delegate tasks. Don't be the guy that is a glorified freelancer doing all his work and having one person just doing a little bit here and there, right? A lot of the time I see these agency owners who class themselves as agency owners, and realistically they just have one little sort of assistant that have hired, a VA assistant, and they're doing 95% of the work all the time. Your goal is to be a business owner. An example is, if I wanted to, I could work 1 to 2 hours per week because I have those systems in place and I can step aside from my agency. I can go traveling. I can do other things and it won't affect my business. How many of you new beginners can say that you have those systems in place to do that? And if you don't, this is a real eye-opener for you to start treating it as a serious business, because that is what's going to set you apart. Right, so my next point comes down to what I said earlier, and is you don't need the extra bullshit. You don't need a website, business cards, a nice office, all this. I had this one guy message me on Instagram, I think a month and a half ago, something ridiculous. And I remember seeing it, and I was like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Because in the message, it was almost funny. Like, I just felt bad because I didn't know how to say it in a polite way. I don't like being rude to people. But he said to me, hey man, I'm starting a social media marketing agency. I just booked out an office for, I think, $1,500 a month. It's going to be me and my best friend, and we're going to go ahead and start getting clients. And I said, look, If you want to invest in an office, that's great, but you don't need to do that. That 1,500 that they invested now per month when they have no clientele basis, it doesn't make any sense. And it's the same case. I get people saying, oh, I just spent 2,000 paying somebody to do my website. It looks great now. I think I'm ready to get clients. Or like, you know what? I'm going to get clients as soon as I have my business cards ready. And you don't need that. I didn't have a website for my agency, I think, until 9 to 10 months into having a physical agency. When I had a team already, when I had a client basis, I had case studies, results, I had no website, right? Because the thing you need to understand is 99% of the time, if you can convey and perceive your value and you can show that, hey, you're here, you're serious, and you can get them results, business owners will not even dare to ask you for your website because it will almost be an insult to ask you. I never had a single business owner ask me, hey, do you have a website, right? Never once. And I just really want that to be a testament to just don't waste your time making this and that and your money on this and that and hiring out this and that when you haven't even started, right? Start first, build up the traction, and then you can afford to spend money into those little extra things, which will, make you look pretty, which will make you look nice. So my next point is that learn to change your mindset. A lot of the time when these new people message me, I very quickly realize that they have huge limiting beliefs within themselves. Subconsciously, unconsciously, they have limiting beliefs. They're taking the action towards doing things that will, go towards success. They start working, they start grinding, they start outreaching, they start building systems, but deep down, they don't believe that they're going to succeed. And that is such a big thing because, there's a saying in this book, Psycho-Cybernetics. It's one of my favorite books, right? You can be the most positive person on earth. You can be doing the most positive actions every day, smiling, texting people lovely, positive messages. But if you truly subconsciously don't believe that you are a positive person and that you don't deserve to be happy, no matter how many positive actions you make, you will never be self-satisfied and you will never truly feel positive within yourself. And it's not a life that I want for you guys, right? And just bear in mind, I'm using the positivity as an example, but so many times these agency beginners, they come to me and they say, hey, I'm thinking about starting an agency. I'm 18. I'm going to do this. But I don't know. Can I really get clients? Am I too young to get clients? Do I really have experience to get clients? How can I get clients without ad results? Like, I'm not really sure if I can generate results for clients. And look, if you have those beliefs, you're not going to make it. If you believe that you will succeed, you will succeed. If you believe you won't, you won't. It's that simple. You have to change your mindset. And one of the best ways to do this is to educate yourself through self-help books, educational books, read. Some of my biggest recommendations would be Psycho-Cybernetics, The Power of Now, The 48 Laws of Power, Reality Transurfing. I'll just put them on the screen now. Like, they are amazing books that have truly made a huge impact on my life, that have set me years ahead of where I would have been otherwise. So guys, I'm going to stop waffling on, but my last point is that consistency wins every time. When I first started out doing this agency, I would work for weeks at a time, super hard. I'll be sitting down at my computer from 8 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. just working on my agency, building systems. And then I'll get a few clients, get a few successes, and then I'll kind of take it easy. I'll stop doing what actually got me that success in the first place. Success is hard to get. To maintain that success is even harder. You have to consciously know and push yourself even when you are in that comfortable state. Even when you have achieved your goals, set higher goals and work towards those. There should never be a point where you get complacent, because that is the death of any business. Complacency kills businesses. It kills dreams, guys. And I came close. I came close a few times to having to start completely from scratch. And it's not something I want for you guys. So my takeaway from this last point is that you need to be consistent on your goals every single day, if not a majority of your days, because that is what's going to build towards the bigger end picture, towards your dreams and making them a reality. So guys, that is my honest advice when starting a social media marketing agency. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications as it really helps the algorithm, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.